So once in Santander ecosystem we have achieved, I would say, an important deployment in terms of technology. So the next steps essentially, let's say, focus on reaching the citizens. So technology, in a certain extent, might be seen far away from the let's say, imminent citizen needs. So what we are doing right now is, let's say, first, of course, to continue to expand, let's say, the ecosystem in terms of deploying technology, for including more services using such technology, aiming at making this city much more sustainable, the services much more sustainable. But the second important point is, let's say, to address the citizen. So the citizen is the key pillar in this ecosystem. The citizen has to become some kind of co-creative actor, and then what we do is to put the technology, let's say, in a certain extent, easily to be used by them, aiming at creating more services which might fulfill their needs.
There are two areas in which a rural area will be challenged. The first area is the whole question of broadband and telecommunications services. As you know, the tendency is for advanced telecommunications to be rolled out in urban areas before rural areas, and in many cases rural areas are trying to catch up. The second area, I think, is in the whole question of education and training. It is simpler and easier, I think, to familiarise citizens with public services in an urban area. There's more effort required to do that in a rural area.
Well, I think that building fibre optic network is no different from building roads or anything like that. It's a similar thing. It's a very simple technique. It's a fibre optic cable that you just have to put under the ground, that's all. And running is very simple. So, like I told in my presentation, if there's a will, there is a way. So I would say that regions should really, well, it depends if they want that. It's a matter of political decision. Do we want people to move into the cities, or do we want to have all the areas vital and competitive? If yes, then just start working together and gather people together, and because I would assume that, for example, in these digital Atlantic regions, people have already done projects like this. So it's just get the people together and decide to do it, and there are a lot of good models around Europe, so you don't have to figure out the wheel again. So you can, in Finland we have many, in Poland there's a major network building going on, in France, so there are in Sweden, so there are many models. So you just, for example, the Engage project that is going on right now, we have 11 partners from 9 different European countries. You can contact us, for example. We have gathered actually a report of different good models, so you can just choose the one that suits you. So.